What up, doers? It's your girl Dee here with another reaction. Okay, so basically a doer sent me this, and I was like, how many versions of Creep can you watch before you're like, okay, I'm done with the song? Not enough apparently, because I'm about to react to another one. I was literally gonna post this, but then I'm like, I'll save it for Monday. So Monday's video is a PTX video. Okay, let's dive in.
When you were here before, could look you in the eye.
I like his hair.
You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You flow like a feather in a beautiful world. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a
I felt that one. Hallelujah.
I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts.
Wait a minute.
I wanna have control. I want the perfect body. I want the perfect soul. But I'm a creep. I'm a
Sing it, baby, sing it. Hey, don't. Oh God. Oh, you the nasty face, you know.
I don't belong here.
Are you dumb? Are you dumb?
I don't belong here.
I'm done with you. I'm done with you, boo. I am done with you. Sing. PDD be like, okay. Pause. There's a couple of things that I've missed. A couple of things that I want to talk about. First things first, let's go back. Okay, so it starts with okay, composed. It starts like this. Look at the background with the skulls and everything's beautiful. Slowly.
When you were here before,
Slow.
could look you in the eye.
He doesn't make much of a fuss.
You're just like an angel.
He's gonna surprise you in a second.
Skin makes me cry.
Mm-hmm.
You flow like a feather
First one.
in a beautiful world.
Still segueing into the...
You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo.
When he drags that, don't you feel it?
What the hell am I doing?
His range. And her hair.
I don't care if it hurts.
That's when he goes like, what? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I want the perfect body.
He's in it.
But I'm a creep.
From the pit of his stomach. He is nailing this audition or finale or whatever this is. I've never watched this show. Look, his body is, his voice is vibrating to the point where his body is changing. Look at this. Who does that with their body? That's just...
What the hell am I doing here?
He was in it, baby. The spindo! No, you belong in here then. That's where you belong, baby. Kills me with that one. He kills me with that. See, I feel like God should have just spread the talent out instead of giving it to one single person. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's unfair that Vincint Cannady, man, you brilliant. Like, you genius. Genuinely, just freaking plant. Just give me. Yeah, brilliant, genius. Thank you so much. You're amazing for recommending this to me. You know who you are. You're absolutely brilliant. Keep sending me stuff like this. It makes me just like I'm genuinely having goosebumps. Like, I can't even. Yeah, it's completely different. Vincent Cannadi's video version of Creep, completely different, but still both of them are so impactful. Oof. Ryan, I hope you see this video of this man doing this version of Creep, because y'all should connect and do a collab. That's what I'm thinking. Like, can you imagine, doers, seeing this, them two together doing... Okay, before I come, I'ma leave y'all, okay? Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. There's a lot of passion, a lot of reaction in this channel. So, press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on Monday with another video. Live with passion!